In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can turn on voice navigation on your Google Map. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Google Map. Okay. After opening the Google Map, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You have to click on it. Then you have to click on settings option here. So after going to settings, you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps to solve your problem. So after doing so, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to find the option called navigation settings. You have to click on this option. After that, you have to make sure that this option is turned off. If it is on muted, you have to click on unmuted so that Google Voice will turn on. After that, you can select this softer, normal or louder. I suggest you to select it on louder so that if your phone is in your pocket, you can listen it from here. After doing so, the other settings you have to leave it pretty much like that. So then you have to go back and you are now ready to go. Now your voice navigation will be turned on. So this is how you can turn on voice navigation on your Google Map. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.